Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to collect a parcel from DHL Packstation. So this is helpful if your package was delivered to a Packstation instead of your home, or if you selected a Packstation as your delivery location. The process is simple and you can pick up your parcel without waiting at a counter. So first, open up the Post and DHL app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to the account connected to your parcel. So once the parcel is ready, it should appear in the app with the pickup code or the instructions that you need. Next, go to the pack station shown in the app or in your delivery notification. And before you begin, check the pack station number and location because there may be more than one nearby. If the pack station has a screen, choose the option to collect a parcel, then scan the pickup code from your phone or enter the details shown in the app. After that, the machine will confirm the parcel and open up the correct compartment. If the pack station does not have a screen, open the shipment inside the app and follow the steps there. The app may ask for Bluetooth or location access so your phone can connect to the pack station. So once it is connected, tap the option to open the compartment. And when the door opens, take your parcel, close the compartment properly, and make sure nothing is left inside. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.